So, more bad guys are coming.
Mm-hmm.
Coming to kill you.
Well, they're coming to try.
He's at work. Foot Locker on Steinway Street. Call them if you don't believe me.
You're trying to tell me that Derek Malbot, cop killer and escaped con, is selling Air Jordans at a Foot Locker in Astoria right now?
I didn't say that.
Look at you! You look great, Dad!
You didn't get my letters, did you?
You're like buff.
I tried to call you, but, you know, that's like impossible.
No, seriously. 9 months ago you were older and wider and...
When he's not with the nanny, he's with some other girl. I swear, when Dee Dee's out of town, he uses her place as his own personal party pad. And when she's in town...
Ken's manipulating the shite out of her.
like a puppet on a string. And Jasper just gets lost in the insanity.
Things were different then. I mean, when I was little, I used to love the fact that you're pretty and men looked at you. But I mean, now that I know why they're ew, Mom.
Well, it'll never happen again, okay? I won't see him.
And the problem is not Mr. Wimbish. It's you.
Your daddy makes some hectified corn shine.